In this section, we are going to configure name resolution between DNS zones in Windows Server 2019. In the second section, we have passed a lot. We have performed zone transfers, configuring zone replication, created primary and secondary zones, and explained how to configure DNS zones. I will try to explain this section in detail, so stay tuned because your knowledge will always enrich you. Resolving DNS names between zones. When DNS names resolve on the Internet, an entire system of computers is used rather than just a single server. There are hundreds of servers on the Internet called root servers, which manage to overall practice of DNS resolution. When you register a domain name on the Internet, you are paying to become a part of this system. A workstation queries the local DNS server for the IP address of pact.com. If the local DNS server does not have the information, it queries a root DNS server for the location of the .com DNS servers. Then the local DNS server sends a query to the .com DNS server for the location of the pact.com DNS server. The .com servers provide the information, and then the local DNS server queries the pact.com DNS server for the IP address of pact.com. At the end, pact.com DNS server provides the IP address, and the local DNS server returns it to the workstation.